Traffic surveyors play a crucial role in ensuring smooth flow of traffic and maintaining road safety in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. With the rapid urbanization and increasing number of vehicles on the road, it has become necessary to have a comprehensive understanding of the traffic patterns and congestion points in the area. Traffic surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad collect data related to traffic volume, vehicle types, speed, and travel patterns to analyze the existing traffic conditions and identify areas that require improvement. The traffic surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad use various methods and tools to conduct their surveys. They may use manual methods such as counting vehicles at intersections or using video cameras to record traffic movements. Additionally, they may also employ advanced technologies like automatic traffic counters and classifiers to gather accurate data. This data is then analyzed to identify traffic patterns, peak hours, and areas with high congestion. The findings of these surveys are crucial for planning and implementing effective traffic management strategies in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. One of the key responsibilities of traffic surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad is to design efficient traffic flow systems. They use their expertise and knowledge of traffic engineering principles to develop effective solutions for improving traffic conditions. This may involve suggesting changes in road geometry, implementing traffic calming measures, or recommending signal timings adjustments. The goal is to minimize congestion, reduce travel times, and enhance overall road safety. Another important aspect of the work done by traffic surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad is conducting surveys to gather feedback from residents and commuters. Based on this feedback, the surveyors can propose appropriate solutions and make informed decisions about the design and implementation of traffic management strategies. In Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, traffic surveyors are essential to managing both the traffic flow and the safety of the roads. It is now essential to have a thorough awareness of the local traffic patterns and congestion areas due to the rapid urbanization and rising number of vehicles on the road. In Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, traffic surveyors gather information on traffic volume, vehicle kinds, speeds, and travel patterns in order to study current traffic conditions and pinpoint areas that need to be improved. The traffic surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, conduct their surveys using a variety of techniques and equipment. They could employ manual techniques like manually counting cars at crossings or observing traffic flow using video cameras. To get accurate statistics, they may also use cutting-edge technologies like classifiers and computerized traffic counters. To determine traffic patterns, peak times, and regions with significant congestion, this data is evaluated. The results of these surveys are essential for developing and putting into practice efficient traffic management plans in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. Designing effective traffic flow systems is a crucial duty of traffic surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. To create practical solutions for enhancing traffic conditions, they draw on their experience and understanding of traffic engineering principles. This could entail implementing traffic calming measures,